Good morning, Philippines!
6:40 ng umaga. Wala pa yung ano, guys. Nag-hire ako ng maglilinis ng driveway. Sabi ko early today. Sabi ko early in the morning para maano ko ba. I still have to stop for gas para makaalis ako ng maaga. Wala pa siya dito. Anyway guys, puntahan ko si Tami. Tumawag siya this morning 6 o'clock, sobrang aga. And sakit pa rin yung ano niya. Binigyan siya ng mga medisina kasama. Basta yung hindi tumatalab yung ano. So I need to bring stuff and just put it in the car. If the guy won't come here, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to shovel. Kasi I need to see my baby. I'm just really worried, guys, eh. God, hindi ko, yung asawa, yung ano ko ba na nasasaktan, eh. I bring rice, kasi walang rice doon. Nagdala din ako ng bread. At saka pagkain ng aso. So, pagdating ko doon, mag-shovel na naman ako. Dahil walang naglilinis sa driveway doon. So, I'm going to shovel over there. And I'm going to text my sister-in-law later when I'm leaving. I tell her that I'm leaving. Anyway, ilagay ko lang to sa car. And I think I'm going to stop to Lloydie. It's not really far. So, it's on the way. Oh, ang hirap. I just, nag-alala ako kay Tami. Hindi kumakain. Walang doktor nakausap doon. Iwan ko na lang guys. Anyway, i-update ko kayo mamaya. Hi guys, good morning. Andito na kami sa bahay ni Bianan. Wala pa si sister-in-law. Hintayin ko lang siya kasi I told her na I'll be here 10 o'clock. And ang time ngayon is 1 minute to 10. So, yeah. Andito siya. And then I need to clean up the driveway also guys kasi may snow dito at saka alam nyo naman wala si Tami. Tumawag sa akin si Tami ngayon lang kasi sinabi ko andito na ako, and then sabi niya sa akin finally may doktor na nagpakita sa kanya and na stress yung kidney niya hold on. Hi S.
Hey Maryann.
Hi.
Are you there again?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay, I'll be there in a couple minutes. I'm just testing where Anne-Marie used to live.
Okay, I just got here.
Alright, I'll see you in a couple minutes. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Alright, Kate.
Bye. What is that? My sister-in-law tumawag. Malapit na siya dito. But anyway guys, so yun, na-stress yung kidney niya sa daming stone. And now, kailangan na talagang kunin niya. What? I know. You gonna go inside soon. I know, gusto nilang magwiwi. Ibulagay ko sila doon guys. Tignan natin ha. Ilagay ko sila doon guys. Roxy, stay there. You too. Come here. Come. Hi guys. Stay there. Stay. Roxy, stay. Look at you. Stay. Anyway guys, I will see you later. Hindi pa rin okay. Minamasahe-masahe ko lang siya. Umalis na yung kapatid ni Tami. So ako na lang dito at saka yung asawa ko. Inano lang niya yung trabaho niya para malaman nila na andito siya. Yung aso iniwan ko din. Doon sila sa bahay ni Biyanan. Alis ako mamaya. Mamaya na maaga pa man. 1:30 ng ano. Masakit pa rin yung ano niya. Kaya minamasahe-masahe ko na lang. Gusto niyang umalis. Pero lumabas lang ako guys para ano punta sa ShopRite. Kailang wala pa kasi hindi ako kumain ng lunch. So yun, gamitin ko yung sasakyan ni Tami kasi ano, kanina yung sasakyan ng kapatid ni Tami yung ginamit namin. Ngayon gamitin namin yung sasakyan niya kasi nakapark lang dito. Oh, yung sasakyan niya nakapark lang dito. Andito tayo sa sasakyan ni Tami. Ngayon I have to move everything because God is carnage cleaning badly. I have to move everything kasi hindi ko nakalimutan ko na tong drive. Oh, ang laki kasi. So ngayon I have to move everything. So ngayon let's drive this car. It's been 3 years na hindi ko na to na-drive. So parang takot ako. Parang takot talaga ako. Anyway, I'm just going direct home. I'm going that way. And yeah. This is neutral. Reverse. I can't even see his neutral and reverse because it's covered up with dust. Okay, reverse. Reversed. Okay. Reversed. Okay. Drive. Oh my God. This is so weird. Another. There is a cops. Hold on. Okay, let's see there. God, ang laking sasakyan. It's been a while na hindi ko na to na-drive. So ngayon, why this these cars make noises? Why this car make noise? It's something sa ilalim na gaganon-ganon. Parang something is lost in a little bit. Kailangan kong tanungin si Tami ano to. It's been a long time. Itong sasakyan na to is ito yung talagang nalaman ko kung paano mag-drive itong sasakyan. Tagal na kasi. Natakot ako kanina, may pulis. May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Anyway, so ngayon guys, iniwan ko muna si Tami kasi nagutom si ako. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makakain natin. Okay. I'm here. So ngayon, hello guys. Kanina pa ako dito and ngayon, how to make this light brighter, okay? So ngayon, I order something and Tammy wants something from the pizzeria that we always ordered something, okay? So now let's see if I ordered the right one and let's see if she understands me right. Because seems like she understand me wrong. This is not what I order. Let me call Tommy. It's sausage parm, and he gave me sausage. Okay, hold on. This is crazy. Hi, this is ridiculous. I ordered something from Maria. I thought she'd understand me. I repeated it a million times. I said pepper parm. Pepper parm is not a sandwich. It's not in the bread. It's a pepper parm. And she gave pepper parm. And now she gave me
sausage parm.
Oh, sausage parm. And now she gave me sausage with pepper.
Fine. Don't even sweat. Don't worry about it.
Huh?
That's fucking over in a bit. It's okay. Just take what it is. Don't worry about it.
You don't want me to return this, and the whole thing is like $34. It's a
Okay.
seriously? Okay, I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna leave here, feed the kids and leave.
So right.
I love you. I'm sorry, hon. Are you sure you don't want me to return this?
Yeah, that's fine.
And now, so like this is what I will bring this to Tommy, and I'm gonna ask a little bit for my rice, and I'll send this to him. Ito siya, guys. Yeah, sausage na noon. At saka ito din. Bukas dalhan ko si Tami niyan. Kakain lang ako and then I'm going back to the hospital kasi Tami, I want to give him company and give him a massage to relax his, you know, para dumadalo yung dugo niya talaga kasi nakahiga lang siya palagi doon. So, yun. Anyway, I will see you later. Kakain lang ako. And I think si Roxy, oh. Gutom. Are you hungry? Yung, ano pala, yung inorderan ko na pagkain is kilala na nila na Tami. Ang problema lang sa kanya is sobrang mahal. Aalis na naman ako, guys. Iwan ko na naman itong mga... Hala! You're having my candy. You cannot have the candy. Tignan nyo, guys. Yung candy ko. Kaloka, you cannot have candy. She liked the candy, the cough drop. My God, Roxy. Akala niya pagkain yan yun. Anyway, naglagay lang ako ng Vaseline sa mukha ko to make it more slimy. Kasi ang tigas na, nagda-dry na. Anyway, so, I will see you later, guys. And I'm just going to visit my baby and bring him some food. That's the food I ordered, guys. He's good. And he's watching some shows. This is your water. Pinabayaan ko lang siyang matulog, guys. Yun yung oras. Sumakit yung tiyan niya pagkatapos niyang kumain. And dinala ko kasi ang last kain niya is yung Friday. Ngayon is Sunday. Hindi siya kumain kasi sasakit yung tiyan niya. Ayaw niya magka-problema na naman. So ngayon hindi niya nakayanan, nagutom.
We got a patient in 308.
Good night. Uy, ang ginaw. Sobrang ginaw. Yung temperature, mahangin pa talaga. Yun yung sasakyan ko, yung puti. Pasensya na guys. Iniwan ko na si Tami kasi natulog lang siya eh. So pinatulog ko na lang siya and dyan, hospital. Hospital, malaki to. Dito pala, ako pala yung driver. Hindi pa rin talaga okay hindi pa rin okay yung pakiramdam ko guys. I mean, hindi naman ako may sakit. Yung ko lang talaga, yung lalamunan ko is, so yun yung lalamunan ko yung problema. And sabi ko kay Tami, matulog ka na. Hindi na lang kita abalahin. Pero minamasahe-masahe ko siya na gustong-gusto naman din niya yung mga masahe ko. So yun yung ginawa ko. Anyway guys, wala masyadong vlog guys ha. Pasensya na talaga kayo guys kasi look, anong ginawa nila sa teddy bear ni Grandma. Or are you going to this Grandma's teddy bear? Look at this. This is Grandma. Hug makes life bearable. 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 Huh? What are you doing to this? This is a cutie. This is a cutie. That's Grandma. You want? You want? Do you want? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Dinala ko yung blanket nila guys. Labhan ko na naman to pag uwi sa isang bahay. Kasi paborito nila yan eh. Okay. Hello. I'm home. And trabaho muna ako guys. Mag-edit muna ako ng video. Pasensya na talaga guys, wala akong masyadong vlog ha. And i-in ko na to and I will see you. I don't know kung kailan kita yung makita. Baka bukas, baka meron tayong upload. Hindi ako sure kung meron tayong upload bukas. Pero I'm sure, I think, hindi ko alam. I think meron or I don't know. Bukas kasi maghintay, kausapin ng doktor kung ano yung mga kailangan at kailangan ding maraming gawin bukas. Nairita na yung asawa ko, gusto niyang umalis doon, gusto niyang mag-walk out, gusto niyang umalis. Kaso, sabi ng doktor, hindi daw pwede. Kung alis daw siya, hindi daw bayaran ng insurance. So, kami yung magbabayad. Kasi parang wala silang ginawa kasi guys. Wala silang ginawa. Yun lang. May sakit na ramdaman, parang wala lang sila. Kaya gusto nilang mag-transfer si Tami, or gusto din ni Tami mag-transfer sa ibang hospital. Wag doon. Kasi doon si Bianan eh. Parang lumala si Bianan. Anyway. I will see you later kasi si Rox is very annoying. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow and bye. Bye-bye. Tapusin ko lang tong ini-edit ko and yeah.